Dr. Erica Savage-Jeter is joining us from Partners in Primary Care. We're talking about senior-focused care. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you for having me.
Tell us a little bit about Partners in Primary Care.
Sure. So Partners in Primary Care is a senior-focused primary care facility for patients, particularly seniors, and our goal is to keep our seniors healthy and well.
And sometimes that can be challenging.
It can be.
How do you help your patients who might be on Medicare navigate that whole system?
Right, so all of our patients have Medicare because we're taking care of seniors, and Medicare can be very complicated. And so we want to be a resource for our patients. And so by being a resource, we want to make sure we have things available for them to help them answer their questions related to Medicare. So we have sessions, Medicare one-on-one sessions, where patients can come in, learn about their plans, their benefits. We also have resources where patients can get connected to agents and to brokers so that they can see what their needs are, so they make sure that they're picking appropriate plans based on their individual needs.
And, you know, a lot of us have seniors in our own families, and we want to be able to help them in their medical care. Should they be seeing a doctor at Partners in Primary Care every year, every other year? How does that work?
So again, our goal is to keep our patients healthy. We feel like to do that, we need to see them often, and we don't need to see them just when they're sick. So one of our goals is to see our patients at least quarterly, every 3 months. Again, we're just trying to look over our patients, making sure we're not missing anything, making sure we're treating everything appropriately, and then doing all those screening tests to look for anything that you may not have symptoms from just yet.
Are there certain issues you see on a daily basis that we should keep an eye on?
Sure, you know, there is a high prevalence of things like diabetes and high blood pressure and high cholesterol, all these things that set our patients up for heart attacks and strokes, and these things a lot of times are silent and you don't necessarily have symptoms. That's why it's so important to make sure we see our patients regularly.
Yeah, that's good advice.
Yes.
Where exactly are you guys located?
So we're located at 2910 East Franklin Boulevard in Gastonia.
And it's best to make an appointment?
Well, if you're coming just to see us, just to tour our facility, you can just walk in.
Oh, that's nice.
We do tours. We're there so that you can meet us and see if you can get a feel of how we work. Of course, if you want to become a patient, you can make an appointment while you're there touring, or you can call the number and make an appointment.
Okay, and so that information is on the bottom of your screen. They can make an appointment at any time at Partners in Primary Care. Dr. Savage-Jeter, thank you so much for joining us on QC Morning.
Thank you for having me.
This segment of QC Morning was sponsored by Partners in Primary Care.